This video presents the Sustainable Food Systems for Sustainable Development project and, more specifically, the Food Insecurity and Poverty research undertaken by the research unit of the University of Pavia. Sustainable Food Systems for Sustainable Development, also called SAS, is a two-year research and dialogue project focusing on what makes food system more sustainable. The project has its geographic focus in Kenya and Tanzania. In these two countries, local food systems of 3 different areas are mapped and analyzed. The project approach is grounded on local involvement. Together with stakeholders, strategies on how to change current practices, policies, and partnerships are explored. Let's now consider project goals and the purpose of research. Overall, SAS aims to create knowledge, policy dialogue, and partnerships contributing to more sustainable food systems. In particular, sustainability is considered on a 3-dimensional perspective, meaning that a food system is sustainable if it explicitly meets the needs of society, economy, and environment over time. Therefore, the ultimate goal of the project is the identification of sustainable strategies able to improve life quality, safeguard biodiversity and the environment, and stimulate social and economic development. SAS is a project funded by the Italian Ministry of Education, University and Research. It has been launched in 2017 by a consortium led by the University of Milano Bicocca. Besides, other partners include Università Cattolica del Sacro Cuore, the University of Gastronomic Sciences of Pollenzo, the University of Pavia, and the European Centre for Development Policy Management. Among other actors, there are Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, Biodiversity International, Naivasha Basin Sustainability Initiative, and many other local institutions in Kenya and Tanzania. All partners work in synergy, conducting a multidisciplinary research that will finally result in the elaboration of comprehensive recommendations on sustainable food systems. In this framework, the work of University of Pavia is mainly concentrated on nutrition and economics. After this brief overview of the project, let's now focus on food insecurity and poverty. Within SAS, the Food Insecurity and Poverty Research, also called FIP, has been undertaken by the University of Pavia in collaboration with the University of Nairobi. FIP is being conducted in Kenya, in the north and southwestern side of Lake Naivasha. The area of investigation includes both rural and urban areas. Considering its purpose, FIP has 3 main aims. First, it is intended to evaluate the state of food insecurity and economic poverty over time, also understanding the seasonal dimension. Second, FIP aims at understanding the determinants and specific features of food insecurity and poverty. Finally, it wants to understand the role of neglected, underutilized, and traditional species for households' livelihood resilience. In particular, neglected and underutilized species are nutrient-rich species that are not cultivated extensively, though being part of local populations' diet. Moving now to hypotheses, FIP is based on three essential assumptions. First, households' food insecurity and poverty is affected in different ways in different agri-food systems and over time. Second, neglected, underutilized and traditional species can complement diet, especially in a period of shock. Third, evidence-based analysis provides information for designing strategic plans to prevent and treat multidimensional poverty. Methodology used for FIP consists of a survey, a focus group discussion, and an interview to policymakers and other stakeholders. The survey involves a sample of more than 1,000 households across the investigated area. A questionnaire is submitted to every household each month for a duration of 12 months. To complete this short presentation, let's have a look to FIP expected results, namely a set of indicators for assessing the aims of analysis, qualitative information to explain and understand quantitative results, and finally, policy recommendations. For further information, please contact Prof. Maria Sassi, writing at maria.sassi@unipv.it.